What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and CHATGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. It does not change after the first month. 80% recurring income, fantastic. So if you're an affiliate marketer or you want to get into making money online, this is the product to promote, guys. This is the one. All right, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page just to make sure here, and make sure I show you guys real results. Okay, that took its time, didn't it? Anyway, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Awesome. All right, guys, so I want to get you guys into this, right? And the first thing we're going to do is get you your affiliate links. First, before I do that, I want to show you the link that I personally use. I use this one in particular because it promotes 3 products. All right, so this is the one I use. You can use any one of these, it don't matter, but this is the one I personally use to make money. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go into my description. You're going to see something that says incomespeaks.com. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like that. Step 1. And in the so what this page is basically talking about the $25 business, what it is, sales letter, right? It tells you what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? So what it essentially is, the $25 business, is a funnel builder. And what a funnel builder is a series of websites to get you to buy something down a funnel, so to speak, that try to get you to buy stuff. And if you use funnel builders before, you know that the most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, and it's over $100 a month, even more than that when you want no limitations on anything. And this product in particular is $25 per month. You can save a ton of money moving to this product from ClickFunnels, guys. And if you want to use it for that reason. Now the reason we're using it is because it's affiliate system, and you can make $20 for $100 a month every customer. That's $120 per customer per month, guys. That's fantastic. And they also get a charity. You guys are interested in that. They get a charity, try to feed families. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you can look over this all you want. But what we're gonna do, once you decide you want to try this out, just click on yes, I want in. It'll take you to this page here, and where you just put in your basic information. It tells y'all what you're getting, all that stuff. Put in your basic information, get the product, $25. All right. So one thing I want to show you guys is this here. When you use my link, you can get 14-day free with HBA Premium, which is another product there. And what it essentially is training on how to get sales with Facebook ad groups, YouTube, podcasting, Instagram, blogging, and solo ads, whatever it may be, right? TikTok, whatever it may be you want to do to get to promote this product, right? It just gives you the best understanding of how to do that. And it's constantly updated because rules change on sites and find better places to go. to promote the product, or we change how we promote the product and it works a little better. So stuff is changed constantly based on stuff like that. And that's, it also has an AI content creation machine. Now I almost forget about that part. And what that does is help you write emails, articles, whatever it may be you need help with, posts, help you with posts, whatever, right? And all of that, and you get that for free for 14 days. Also, if you get a sale with this particular product here, HBA Premium, you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep that money, guys. Keep that money even though you don't actually have the money. Keep the $100. It's absolutely fantastic. So anyway, guys, that's all it is. That now what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna show you the easiest way to promote this product. But once you sign in, get your links, right? There's videos explaining how to do absolutely everything. It's pretty basic. You'll figure it out. But once you get your links, guys, I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product online, period, I ever found. All right. So you want to click on my second link on my description there. It's going to take you to my lead gen secret. And what my lead gen secrets is that you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, guys. They all interested in making money online, but they're very cold leads. They don't know you, don't know who you are, and stuff like that. So, you know, you got to kind of work with them a bit sometimes. But you can get sales on the first day. It depends. It's people. You know, you never really know what's going to actually happen. So what we're gonna do, guys, is gonna come in, go to mailing system, select all our leads right there. I'm sorry, I kind of did it automatically. Didn't really explain what I was doing. And we're gonna pick an email that we're gonna use, guys, that ChatGPT has written. Making money my first week. I'm gonna load this one. Oh, I already got my picture. So this is the email that I personally written. I meant to say. I wrote this email myself. Now I'm gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time people check email, right? And we're gonna hit preview. Now I wrote this email myself, and you can copy it if you want to. This is the email that I use to make more emails in ChatGPT. I tell it to write emails similar to this. And as you can see, it's pretty small, short email. Works really well. I just put my picture at the end. But the reason we click on preview is to mainly just make sure our link works. Because if our link don't work, we can't get sales. So that's the main reason. But I just wanted to show it as well, so you guys can pause and copy it if you want to copy it. All right, so that's all it is. That gonna send the email and we are done, guys. And like I stated before, this is the easiest way to promote anything I've ever found that works. You know what I mean? And it's like once you get a ton of emails in the system, you just rotate them, and so it only takes about 30 seconds a day to do, and you make money. That's a no-brainer to me. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. Just follow along with that. I'm making money. It's working for me. As you can see, there's proof of that. It's slowly building up. Now, one thing I want to do, I want to tell you guys about when it comes to making money online, and that's consistency. You need consistency. You can't stop. You got to do it every day. Do it every day. You got to be consistent with whatever you're doing. Like, say, for example, the most powerful way to promote a product right now, in my personal opinion, is with shorts. That's shorts on these particular sites, on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are the sites you want to post on. Shorts. You need to post every day. I personally say 3 or 4 times a day, but at least once a day. You want to post every single day on all 3. All right, guys? And eventually what will happen, something's going to go viral. You'll never have to worry about money again. It's just as simple as that. But you gotta do it every day. You You gotta do it every day. Whatever it is you need to do, you gotta do it every day to make money, guys. You can't stop. You can't be like, this ain't working and just stop. It's not gonna work. You gotta post every single day. Just don't give up on it. People who succeed never gave up, guys. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Most people that are listening to this will give up. They will give up. It's just statistically probable that most of you guys, 99% of you guys, will give up on doing this. That 1% are probably gonna end up making more money than me. So that's all there is to it, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.